Hi guys, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano has been dominating the headlines since the start of 2021, thanks to its price performance and the efforts to expand its network. At the time of production, Cardano now has a market cap of over $70 billion, making it the third largest crypto in the world by market cap. What's more, investors are now flocking to Cardano from Ethereum. But should you be making that move too? Well, in this video, we're going to go through some of the latest information leaks on Cardano and how the results of this information may be pushing the coin to a $500 price tag soon. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video so you don't miss out on the $100 million investment that Cardano just secured, and what this means for the future of the coin. Before we get going though, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell. That way you'll never miss any of our new videos. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. September 2021 was a pretty bad month for the crypto market. However, at the start of the fourth quarter of the 2021 year, several big altcoins started to pick up. A large part of this progress can be attributed to the gains made by Bitcoin. Now, while other altcoins were making waves at the aforementioned time, Cardano ADA was not having the best of days. The price of ADA did not perform as well as most investors would have hoped or predicted. Before October 2021 market performance, Cardano ADA had been on an independent trajectory, hitting new all-time highs in price. This is why market participants were shocked at its performance in the new month and quarter. Nonetheless, the coin managed to keep a tight grip on its $2 price point, and most of its holders were relieved. Now, while the coin and price of Cardano ADA may be experiencing a slight struggle at the moment, there are a few indicators in the market that signal a big comeback for Cardano ADA. With all the ecosystem-centered developments coming to the network and its solid metrics, there may be the possibility of Cardano shooting over $100 and getting back up to $500 in the next few years. Let us start by looking at all the leaked and released information, and how that all plays a role in the future development of this coin. At the Cardano Summit of 2021, IOHK announced its partnership with the payment platform COTI. The partnership positioned the platform as Cardano's stablecoin platform. COTI would also be the official issuer for DJED, the network's stablecoin that virtually anyone has been waiting for. Couple this new partnership with the fact that it's listed on exchanges like Coinbase, Huobi, and Crypto.com, and these have acted as fuel for the price run of the coin. Since the partnership, COTI has been able to secure a rise in its social volumes and social dominance. Another noteworthy activity on the Cardano network, despite its downward movement after a flash crash, is that the DeFi liquidity protocol, MELD, is rumored to be also setting up for a launch with the gold-supported stablecoin on the Cardano network. Both DJED and the gold-supported stablecoin by MELD are directed at simplifying trading for ADA holders. The features that DJED offers on the platform include upper and lower bound maintenance and a robust design in case of market crashes. Furthermore, with DJED, customers can also say goodbye to insolvency and possibly any other reserve drain. Cardano's David Taylor also announced a huge partnership with one of the biggest mobile networks in Nigeria, Tingo. This new partnership sticks to the company's trend of spreading blockchain technology to the less talked about parts of the world. As a part of the Tingo announcement, Taylor mentioned that the partnership between MELD and Tingo and Cardano had the potential to bring cryptocurrency services to millions of subscribers all over the world. The ultimate goal with these moves is to boost the price and use of Cardano in Nigeria, and secure about 9 million new customers in Nigeria for Cardano. With that being said, we can now move to another indicator that Cardano may be prepping for a new bull run. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap, suffered extremely bad in September 2021. As a result, investors were looking at an alternative place to settle. Well, can you guess where they chose to settle? If you guessed Cardano, then you are correct. The downward movement of Ethereum's graph in September of 2021 forced investors to find alternatives like Cardano that were performing well and could be used to build dApps. According to CoinMarketCap data, Ether's 16% drop in September 2021 was the second largest drop since June of the same year. Despite Ethereum's value rise of 830% between 2020 and 2021, investors are worried about the inconsistent price performance that the coin has had in the last couple of months. While the creators have made efforts to make a couple of upgrades, the system still suffers issues with high transaction fees and slow network speed. Other blockchain networks like Cardano have solidified their moves to ensure that they use the weaknesses of the Ethereum blockchain to their advantage. Now let's take a look at some of the more expert opinions on the price of ADA in the future, and its chances of bouncing back stronger than ever. Michael van de Pope, a highly respected crypto trading analyst, made a technical analysis that pointed towards a bright future for the ADA coin. The analysis was created from ADA/BTC charts and how it has performed in the past. On the chart, ADA is trading at 0.00004635 Bitcoin. The analysis chose this value because it is the same price range as the current trading price range of the ADA token. However, one of the predictions he made is that ADA will shoot past 0.000055250 Bitcoin once it properly bounces back to its bullish stride. Cardano was trading for around $2.22 at the time of production. This price is 1.77% higher than the previous day's price and 4.7% higher than the previous week's price. The coin market capitalization of ADA is now $71.1 billion, according to CoinMarketCap.com. The digital asset management firm Grayscale recently announced a report that claimed that Cardano is now executing more than 115,000 transactions per day. According to the report, this value is more than 13 times more what the company started with in 2021. Relating this to today's conversation, Grayscale went on as far as saying that attracting new investors to the native token of Cardano and the blockchain network ADA is highly dependent on the company's ability to expand its network. At the moment, ADA's got approximately 2.8 million users, marking a 7.3 times growth since the beginning of 2021. Quoting Grayscale, if decentralized applications and other new use cases attract new users, drive increased network usage, and improve Cardano's metrics, these factors may support a fundamental value rotation in ADA by existing and outside investors. Existing members of the Cardano community are already hoping and holding on to ADA, and they're also very optimistic about the future price of the coin and its chances of surpassing the $100 mark. All of these holders are extremely motivated by the recent news of Chainlink integrations and other huge collabs with companies like Veritree, Dish Telecoms, and Rival Video Games. All of these collaborations play a big part in getting ADA into the hands of several users, thereby increasing the number of people using the coin and, in turn, its price. It's also important that we discuss another huge deal that Cardano just closed with Emergo. According to the reveal information, Cardano received a whopping $100 million in investments from Emergo. To further help Cardano's case, we may also consider Cardano's successful conference and the bigger fact that the smart contracts on its mainnet have allowed Ethereum to build decentralized apps on its platform. And then the icing on the cake of all these announcements is from Aridex. On the 28th of September 2021, the company announced that it is now set to be the first DeFi platform to offer DEX and NFT Launchpad functionality. You might be wondering, why is this useful? Well, these new functionalities will be implemented on the Cardano blockchain. Just before we conclude today's video, we've got to say that not all the predictions and opinions about Cardano are in a positive light. Despite its attractive performance since the start of 2021, and all the upgrades that we have had come to the networks, some pessimists believe that ADA is overpriced. Some of these ADA naysayers hold on to the fact that ADA has a very long project plan spread over several years. As we speak, ADA is still a very long way away from reaching the final phase of its rollout plans. Cardano ADA detractors use this fact to argue that the cryptocurrency will never catch a massive price point. Some of these investors even go on as far as to say questions about the extent to which Cardano has any functional product. On this note, some now call it a ghost chain. Now, before you pack your bags and run away from ADA, you should keep in mind that while these may be valid arguments, ADA's record is more than strong enough to dispute them. To start with, Cardano has managed to consistently and constantly meet up with every single set of deadlines and timelines of all its upgrades. Furthermore, each of these upgrades comes with a big bag of benefits that all its faithful users have welcomed with outstretched arms. Top it all off, each of these upgrades have come with a hefty jump in the price of the coin. So, if the record of Cardano ADA is anything to go by, and Cardano maintains its current form, then it's very likely that the favorable predictions may come to pass. Now, before we go, here's a quick reminder that investments carry risks, and you must ensure that you're fully equipped with all the information that you need before you invest. So be sure to check in with your friendly neighborhood financial experts to get educated advice on your investments. With that, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more about our new videos in the future. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.